Hello everyone, I am Nishchit Chorsia and today I will be presenting our project Vision Sense AI. This is an intelligent camera based system designed to enhance public safety and monitoring through artificial intelligence. Our system focuses on three major modules: crowd detection, criminal detection, and last but not the least, smart attendance tracking. Let's start with the crowd detection module. This feature helps detect and monitor crowd density in real time using live camera feeds. It can be extremely useful in areas like railway stations, concerts, or public gatherings to prevent overcrowding and ensuring safety. Currently, this is our code for crowd detection. Here you can see I have set the current crowd threshold to 5, and so in context, the alarm or the Twilio SMS alerts shouldn't be showcased. Here you can see the crowd is within the limits because the number of persons in the frame is only one. That is actually very much less than the crowd threshold limit. Now let's try changing the crowd threshold limit to 0 so that we can learn about the main prompting power of our system. Now let's run it again.
The crowd is over the limit. Kindly reach the respective site as soon as possible.
Now you can see that the crowd threshold limit has exceeded the actual limit. Here we will be receiving calls using Twilio. Also, apart from this, we will be receiving SMS prompts with the help of Twilio as well, showing Twilio trial crowd limit exceeded, take necessary actions, and they report the actual respected site as soon as possible. This message will be for the security forces, police forces, and
The
army
crowd is
forces.
over the limit. Kindly reach the
Now, let's move on to our next module that will be crowd criminal detection. So, this part of Vision Sense AI uses AI face recognition to identify known offenders from a pre-stored database. Let's start with its prototype. Here, as soon as the system detects a complete face, it compares it with a face matched in the actual pre-stored database and sends a complete message like SMS alert sent and alert system for the actual person. This will help this will help the security forces and all for getting to know about the actual wanted criminals wandering around very much freely. Now let's move on to our next module, that is smart attendance system. This third module is a smart attendance system. This is designed to automate attendance tracking in organizational and institutional using face recognition. Let's start with its prototype. It will create a complete Excel sheet on its own depending on what month and the complete attendance is going on. So according to it, my attendance has been marked. Let's check it if it is actually been marked or not. This is our attendance Excel sheet. So here is our attendance of day 9 indicating 9th November and it is marking me as present. Also, every new sheet gets analyzed for the each month. This is the complete attendance summary like Nisha Chorsa being 2 and many more other teammates showing the complete attendance criteria for the users. All three modules are built using Python, OpenCV, and deep learning based models for object and face detection. This system can be deployed on edge devices like Raspberry Pi or surveillance system for real time monitoring. let's talk about our use cases. VisionSense AI aims to make surveillance smarter and proactive, from crowd management in public spaces to identify potential threats and automating attendance. Our system can assist both safety authorities and organizations in simplifying everyday monitoring tasks. This was a brief demonstration of VisionSense AI. We are continuously improving the accuracy and scalability of these modules to make AI driven security more accessible and reliable. Thank you for watching.